Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off between two popular replacement blades for electric shavers. Get ready for some sharp comparisons as we pit Philips Oneblade replacement blade against the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade comes in at a hefty $30, while the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads offer a more wallet-friendly option at just $16. That's a significant difference in price, folks. So, if you're looking to save some bucks, the Rolling Fit heads have got you covered. Now, let's assess the durability of these replacement blades. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade boasts two blades that can last up to 8 months, with 2 full shaves per week. That's pretty impressive. On the other hand, the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads claim to provide a clean shave without dead ends and recommend replacement every 12 months. So, if you're a frequent shaver, the Philips Oneblade might be your best bet for long-lasting performance. Moving on to versatility, both products offer great features. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. Plus, it comes with a glide coating and rounded tips to protect your skin. Meanwhile, the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads are suitable for various Philips shaver models and have rounded edges for a protective shave. So it's a tie in this category as both products provide excellent versatility. User experience is crucial when it comes to replacement blades. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade promises a comfortable and painless shaving experience. However, the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads offer a non-original, high-quality alternative at a fraction of the price. They even provide tips on lubrication for smooth running. It's up to you to decide which user experience appeals more to you. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade is praised for its superior performance, precision, and durability. Users appreciate its ease of use, cost-effectiveness, and ability to deliver a close and comfortable shave without irritation or nicks. On the other hand, the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads are considered a decent alternative with a good price and satisfactory performance. They may not be as sharp as the original brand, but they fit well and provide a close shave. Overall, both products have positive reviews. And that's a wrap on our comparison between the Philips Oneblade replacement blade and the RF Rolling Fit SH30 replacement heads. Remember, the Philips Oneblade offers durability and a versatile shaving experience, but it comes at a higher price point. On the other hand, the RF Rolling Fit heads provide an affordable option without compromising on quality. Ultimately, the choice depends on your preferences and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter buying decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to the products are in the description below. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you buy smarter. We'll catch you in the next video. Happy shaving!